Be direct rather than indirect. Here comes your high chair. Arms up, arms up. Thank you for putting your arms up. An indirect instruction sounds something like, let's clean up the toys. I think we should clean up the toys. It's probably a good idea to clean up the toys. It would be nice if you helped me clean up. What do you think about cleaning up? How about cleaning up now? Please clean up your room, okay? In this last example, adding the okay at the end is the most common indirect instruction I hear parents use while coaching them. Sometimes parents believe they are asking for a verbal confirmation that their child heard and understood the instruction. But the problem is, a child might interpret that since the parent asked a question, the parent is giving the child permission to say, no, it's not okay that we clean up. I used this example in an earlier lesson when preparing to transition from the park. Your child is having a blast swinging and sliding, then you say, it's time to go home now, okay? Your child probably won't think it's okay. And you're the parent needing to get your little one home for dinner. So rather than say, okay, use any combination of your tools to warn ahead of time about the transition. Reflect any feelings that might be bubbling or already being expressed by your kiddo, and directly while calmly state, it's time to go home and eat dinner, so please take my hand and skip or jump with me to the car, omitting the okay. There are certainly times when we want to give kids options and input into decisions. And there are other times when we as caregivers need to set limits in the best interests of our child. When you can, use options and give up some control. When that's not an option, use direct instructions. Words to avoid include let's, can you, would you, and could you. A direct instruction sounds like this. Please put the red car onto the track. Please tie your shoes. Please put your bottom on the chair. Please turn off the water. Here are some real-life examples. Oh, put your feet on the carpet. Yay! Good job putting your feet on the carpet. Here's a bus. And here's the train. It goes right there. And you push it. Good job pushing. You did it. More. Here's a red train. There's the spinach. Espera. Wait. Wait. Oh, hand out, please. Bye-bye. I'm going to put it over here and give you this. This one is for you. That is for you to play with.